Is ethanol bad for your car engine? It may help your vehicle out and is a relatively cheap way to clean things up. This is unrelated to the use of E10. Almost all, if not all modern vehicles can use E10. Concentrations of ethanol, E15 for example, can cause problems in cars not designed for it.